In this video, you are going to see the charging time test of the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion mobile. This mobile is maximum supported for 68 watts of wired charging, and this charger is included in the box itself, which is a good thing. This one comes with a 5500 mAh battery for the Indian variant. I also added the timer on another mobile phone for transparency. Let's start the test. I completely drained the battery of this mobile phone before starting this test. After charging for a while, I turned on the mobile phone and continued charging. After 10 minutes, this mobile phone charged 21%, which is fantastic. I saw a lot of mobile phones in the past that took 20 minutes to charge from 20% to 30%. After 20 minutes, it charged to 43%, which is mind blowing. I thought this mobile could easily take 30 minutes to charge to 50%. But after noticing these speeds, I can sense that it crosses more than 50% after the 30 minutes mark. Also, I'm observing heating in the mobile phone screen area. I'll check the temperatures in a bit and tell you how much it reached. After 30 minutes, it reached to 60%. This is crazy fast on this mobile phone. People who are usually busy and want to decrease the charging time of their mobile phones, this is good news for them. During their get ready process for their work, they just charge for 30 minutes and use this mobile phone for a complete day under normal conditions. After 40 minutes, it charged to 77%. Even though the charging speeds are good, there are still ups and downs in the charging pattern. After 50 minutes, it charged to 94%. Trust me, I thought this mobile phone could easily take 1 hour 15 to 1 hour 20 minutes to charge 100%. But my calculations are going wrong this time. I checked the temperature, it's reaching a maximum of 42 degrees Celsius on the earpiece area. On the back, it's not that much heat compared to the front. After 55 minutes, it charged to 99%. I checked online on how much time does this mobile phone take to charge completely. It's anywhere between 50 minutes to 1 hour that every blogs are showing. Finally, after 57 minutes, it charged 100%. This is amazing. But do note that there are heating issues while charging this mobile phone and it crosses easily 40 degrees Celsius. Finally, I can say that the charging speeds are amazing on this mobile phone charges in between 50 minutes to 1 hour. That's the charging test of the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion mobile phone. I added the links of other videos of this mobile phone that I tested in the description box apart from the charging. So click the description box, you get more videos on this mobile phone. Also, you can check the comment pinned box for those video links as well. Thank you so much for watching and staying till now. My name is Rajashekar and you're watching Tech Bunny, and I'll catch you in another video.